Hello everybody, very good morning to all. As you all know that we are doing chapter number 4 of your textbook, Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory, right? And we have completed till page number 63. Today we are going to start from page number 64. Had he never had a fall as a boy and cut his knee, he tried to recall such an incident but could not, because that stranger who had confused Bipin Babu by giving him detail about his personal life, right? Because of that, whatever that stranger told Bipin Babu, he wanted to confirm it. That stranger had told him that when he was at Kudru Fall, he had a cut in his knee. He got injured. He tried to check it, there was a cut. Now Bipin Babu thought that this injury may be because of during the childhood this injury could have occurred, right? लेकिन ऐसा कोई इंसिडेंट उनको याद भी नहीं, राइट? तो यहाँ तक हमने किया था. Then Bipin Babu suddenly thought of Dinesh Mukherjee, क्योंकि that stranger had told Bipin Babu that when he was on the tour, he was accompanied by a man named Dinesh Mukherjee. So this man decided to talk with this Mr. Dinesh Mukherjee. The man had said that Dinesh was in Ranchi at the same time. The best thing surely would be to ask him. He lived quite near in Beninandan Street. What about going right now? But then if he had really never been to Ranchi, what would Dinesh think if Bipin Babu asked for a confirmation? He would probably conclude Bipin Babu was going nuts. No, it would be ridiculous to ask. अब वो दिनेश को तो फोन करने का, उनसे मिलने का सोचते, लेकिन वो भी नहीं कर पाते. क्यों? उनको एक डर है कि if Dinesh Mukherjee says that no, we were not there, then there would be so, or we would be there, कुछ भी, तो वो बिपिन बाबू को और कंफ्यूज कर देगा. तो अगर ऐसे रात के टाइम में मैं पूछूंगा हम गए थे कि नहीं, तो इट वुड बी वेरी रिडिक्यूलस, वो हास्यास्पद लगता है ना. तो और मेरा दोस्त मुझे ताना भी मारेगा कि तू पागल हो गया क्या, वगैरह वगैरह. एंड ही न्यू नाउ रूथलेस दिनेश सरकाजम कुड बी. उनको पता था कि दिनेश किस तरह से टोंट मारता है, तो इसीलिए उन्होंने पूछा ही नहीं. सिपिंग अ कोल्ड ड्रिंक इन हिज एयर कंडीशन्ड लिविंग रूम, बिपिन बाबू फेल्ट एट ईज अगेन. अब थोड़े रिलैक्स थे, अपनी एयर कंडीशनर रूम में बैठे थे. सच अ न्यूसेंस जस्ट बिकॉज दे हैव नथिंग एल्स टू डू, दे गो अबाउट गेटिंग इनटू अदर पीपल. अब सोच रहे कि ऐसे लोग, यानी वो जो स्ट्रेंजर मिला था उनके बाद, वो क्या करते हैं कि कुछ खुद को काम होता नहीं तो ऐसे लोगों को परेशान करते. ऐसा बिपिन बाबू सोच रहे. After dinner, snuggling in bed with one of the new thrillers, Bipin Babu forgot all about the man in Newmarket. Next day in the office, Bipin Babu noticed that with every passing hour, the previous day's encounter was occupying more and more of his mind. If the man knew so much about Bipin Babu, how could he make such a mistake about Ranchi trip? अब दूसरा दिन शुरू हुआ, ऑफिस में गए, लेकिन बिपिन बाबू को ये लगता है कि that matter of meeting the stranger वो उनके दिमाग पर मान लो कंट्रोल कर गई थी. वो ही विचार आ रहे थे कि एक बंदा मेरे बारे में इतना कैसे जान सकता है. एंड इफ रेस्ट ऑफ द डिटेल्स आर करेक्ट, हाउ कैन ही बी इनकरेक्ट अबाउट रांची ट्रिप, वगैरह वगैरह. Just before lunch, Bipin Babu decided to ring up Dinesh Mukherjee. It was better to settle the question over the phone. At least the embarrassment on his face would not show. कॉल करने की सोचते हैं दिनेश को, क्योंकि सामने सामने बात करेंगे तो थोड़ा चेहरे पर जो शॉकिंग वाली फीलिंग्स है, सरप्राइजिंग वाली फीलिंग है, वो थोड़ा ऐसा लगेगा. 235616 ये नंबर है. बिपिन बाबू डायल्ड द नंबर. हेलो, इज दैट दिनेश? दिस इज बिपिन हियर. ओह वेल, व्हाट्स द न्यूज़? आई जस्ट वांटेड टू फाइंड आउट इफ यू रिकॉल्ड एन इंसिडेंट व्हिच टुक प्लेस इन 58. तो कहते हैं कि मैंने इसीलिए फोन किया कि मैं जानना चाहता हूँ कि क्या कोई 58 में ऐसा इंसिडेंट हुआ था जिसमें हम साथ में हो, वगैरह. 58. What incident? Were you in Kolkata right through that year? That is the first thing I have got to know. बिपिन बाबू पूछते हैं उस पूरा साल 58 में तुम क्या कोलकाता में थे? Wait just a minute. 58. Just let me check in my diary. For a minute there was silence. Bipin Babu could feel that his heartbeat had gone up. He was sweating a little. Now Dinesh Babu had the habit of making notes in diary. Diary लिखने की आदत. तो कहते let me check my diary कि मैं 58 में कहाँ था. Hello, yes, I have got it. I had been out twice. Where? दिनेश मुखर्जी कहते कि 58 के ईयर में मैं 2 बार बाहर गया. कब? Once in February nearby to Krishnanagar to a nephew's wedding, and then, but you would know about this one, the trip to Ranchi. You were there too. That is all. But what all this you think about? ये तुम वो कहते कि हाँ गए थे. एक बार मैं नेफ्यू के वहाँ कृष्णनगर में था, दूसरी बार तो हम रांची ही गए थे. Now Bipin Babu would be more confused because Dinesh Mukherjee confirmed that वो गए थे. Bipin, no, I just wanted to. Anyway, thanks. Bipin Babu slammed the receiver down and gripped his head with his hands. He felt his head swimming. A chill seemed to spread over his body. पूरा ठंड की लहर बदन से गुजर जाती है. There were sandwiches in his tiffin box, but he did not eat them. He had lost his appetite. मान लो उनकी भूख मर गई, है ना? ऐसा कंफ्यूज हो गए. After lunchtime, Bipin Babu realized that he could not possibly carry on sitting at his desk and walking. This had never happened in the 25 years he had been with the firm. He had a reputation for being a tireless, conscientious worker, but today his head was in a whirl. Right? Bipin Babu कहते हैं कि बैठे बैठे आज कुछ होने वाला नहीं. 25 सालों से वो एक अच्छे, ईमानदार, हार्ड वर्किंग, केयरफुल वर्कर के रूप में काम कर रहे. तो ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है कि he got confused today, right? He was working in an accounting firm, so he was dealing with accounts. Now you know account का ध्यान तो बहुत responsible लोग ही कर सकते हैं. Back home at 2:30, Bipin Babu lay down in bed and tried to gather his wits together. He knew that it was possible to lose one's memory through an injury in one hand, but he didn't know of a single instant of someone remembering everything except one particular incident, and a fairly recent and significant one at that. घर पे गए बिपिन बाबू सोचते हैं कि हाँ ऐसा मेमोरी का हम स्किप हो सकता है. आप भूल जाओगे कुछ, वो तो कोई इंजरी हुई तो आप सब भूल जाओगे, लेकिन बिपिन बाबू को बाकी सब याद है इस रांची ट्रिप के. तो ऐसी लैप्स ऑफ मेमोरी कैसे हो सकती है कि आपको सारी और चीजें याद है कि नहीं? And have a fairly recent and significant one at that. He had always wanted to go to Ranchi, to have gone there, done things, and not to remember was something utterly impossible. जाना चाहते थे लेकिन गए नहीं थे, और गए हैं तो याद नहीं है, ऐसा impossible है. At 7:30, Bipin Babu's servant came and announced, Chuni Babu, sir, says it's very important. नौकर आता है, सर को कहता है, सर आपके दोस्त चुनी बाबू आए हैं. Bipin Babu knew what Chuni had come for. Chuni Lal had been at school with him. He had been having a rough time lately and had been coming to see him about a job. Bipin Babu knew it was not possible to do anything for him. In fact, told him so. But Chuni kept turning up like a bad penny. Chuni Babu उनके स्कूल के फ्रेंड थे बचपन से ही, और अभी उनकी जॉब नहीं थी चुनी बाबू की, तो वो बिपिन बाबू के पास आए थे. बिपिन बाबू ने तो कहा भी था कि नहीं हो सकता मेरे से, तो भी वो जो फेक करेंसी आती है, खोटो सिक्को है ना, तो जैसे झूठा सिक्का होता है वो कहीं चलता है तुरंत वापस आ जाए, तो बार बार वो उनके पास आता है खोटे सिक्के की तरह. Bipin Babu sent word that not only was it not possible for him to see Chuni now, but not in several weeks. Bipin Babu ने सोचा कि मैं एक मैसेज भेजता हूँ नौकर के साथ कि यू इन्फॉर्म चुनीलाल कि वो कुछ दिनों तक बिजी है और नहीं मिल पाएंगे. He wanted to avoid him. But as soon as the servant stepped out of the room, it struck Bipin Babu that Chuni might remember something about the 58 trip. There was no harm in asking. विपिन बाबू को याद आता है अचानक से, अरे इसको भी पूछ लूँ मैं कि मैं रांची गया था कि नहीं, पूछने में क्या नुकसान है। हाँ। Bipin Babu hurried down the stairs and into the living room. Chuni was about to leave, but seeing Bipin Babu appear, he turned round hopefully. Bipin Babu फटाफट से नीचे उतरे। चुनीलाल जा ही रहे थे घर अपने वापस, तभी इनको देखकर वो रुक गए। Bipin Babu didn't beat about the bush. Bipin Babu ने कुछ नहीं बोला। Listen, Chuni, I want to ask you something. You have a good memory and you have been seeing me off and on for a long time. देखो चुनीलाल, मुझे तुमसे कुछ बात पूछनी है, तुम मुझे अच्छे से जानते हो। Just throw your mind back and tell me, did I go to Ranchi in 58? जैसा तुम मुझे बताओ कि क्या मैं सच्ची में रांची गया था। चुनी से 58, it must have been 58, or was it 59? 58 या 59? चुनीलाल ठीक है बच्चों, 67 नंबर के पेज से नेक्स्ट वीडियो से आगे बढ़ेंगे। नाउ 2 पेजेस आर लेफ्ट, नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम पूरा करने की कोशिश करेंगे। टिल देन टेक गुड केयर, थैंक यू, जय हिंद।